Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who are new, hey, hi, what is up? My name is Shy. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a full breakdown review all over the new TBH by Taraji P Henson. That way that can determine if you should get the new collection or not. Let's get started.
Okay, so getting started, I really wanted to test all of the products out on natural dry hair. So my hair is beyond dry. Therefore, I had to start off with a pre-poo. The pre-poo usually just brings in natural oils into my hair, so I thought, hey, why not try it with the conditioner? So what you see me spraying here is rose water, and I'm also using the conditioner. I do have a few complaints about the conditioner, but I just decided just to wait to give you my overall thoughts on it. Alright, so the Honey Fresh shampoo is a clarifying shampoo that is said to moisturize the hair. I purchased the shampoo from Target for about $10. But if you would like to purchase from their website, then you're looking at paying about $13, which is weird because that's $3 more than what you're paying at Target, but whatever. It cleaned my scalp. It cleaned my hair very well. It actually felt like I kind of had a little tingling sensation in my hair, but by no means did it bring moisture to my hair shaft. I actually felt like it stripped my hair. I think it's weird, especially because it has ingredients such as honey and aloe, and those two are the main ingredients that bring natural oils into your hair tresses. So I thought that was kind of weird. Moving on to the Make It Rain conditioner. So the Make It Rain conditioner is a hydrating conditioner that detangles, hydrates, nourishes, and smooths the hair. So I'm going to break down each one of these key points to see if it actually does its job. It did put moisture back in my hair after the Honey Fresh shampoo stripped the moisture. I felt like it did put moisture back into my hair, which is great. And it also did nourish my hair, okay? But I feel like it hydrated and nourished my hair simply because I used half of the bottle. I felt like it wasn't really doing its job in detangling, and I don't think it did anything for smoothing my hair out. I'm going to be very honest with you. So the Tough Cookie styling gel is said to clump curls together for definition, manage frizz, and maintain style throughout the day and night. I wish I could tell you something good about this styling gel. I just can't. You guys, my hair flaked up so bad.
Okay, so right now my hair is still holding the curls, still doing pretty. There's this like white stuff that's here though. It's kind of annoying, not gonna sit up there and lie to you guys. So far the curls are staying. So far everything looks good. So far so good. We'll see how it goes. I honestly forgot to record yesterday. After all of my errands, I was wiped, but it has this like white film, and I feel like it increased since yesterday, but this is all from that styling gel, you guys. That's gross. Like, look at that. And then like if you look really closely, you could like see the whiteness like falling from the hair. I did not even add that much, but wow, see? So my hair is gone. But yeah, that's throughout my hair, like all down here. I think the only place you can't really see it is down here. But I am so freaking pissed. Yeah, this styling gel, no. Like, no, we're not doing that. That's what we're not gonna do. That's what we're not gonna do. Let me just break down each and every one for you. First off, before I get too far ahead of myself, the shampoo I would get, I know what I said.
I would get it and I would get the conditioner, but it would not be a staple in my cabinet. Okay, so that's not something that I would reach for. If I was going out of town, like over my friend's house, my family's house, or I was just like traveling, I would bring it. Okay, not because that is like my go-to. Those, like when you travel with something, if you ended up leaving it, you're not going to miss it. Does that make sense? I would leave the styling gel on the shelf. Like, we're not taking that again. But them flakes, sis. But them flakes. So I would not recommend the styling gel. And if you do get the new TBH shampoo and conditioner, I would recommend that you only travel with it. That's it. That is the end of today's video. I really hope that you guys have enjoyed it. If you guys have any more recommendations on any other products that I should test out, please let me know by either DMing me on any of my social media platforms, all of which you can find in the description box down below, and or leaving me a comment in the comment section down below. While you're at it, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. That way you guys never miss a video. And then while you're at it, hit that ringer button next to it, okay? That way you can see once I update. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!